Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Fonts loading to match your brand typography, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Google Fonts loading on your website, begin by accessing your site's code. Locate the section in your HTML where the Google Fonts link is included. This is typically found in the head section of your document. Once you find the Google Fonts link, remove or comment it out. You can comment it out by surrounding the line with, and. Next, it's essential to ensure your custom font is properly uploaded to your server. Choose a font file format compatible with web usage, such as WOFF or WOFF2. Upload the font files to a directory on your server, such as a folder named Fonts. Now, add CSS rules to define your custom font in your style sheet. Use the @fontface rule to specify where your font files are located. For example, write @fontface, font family, your custom font, src, URL, path/to/font.woff, format, woff. Replace your custom font with the font name you want to use. Ensure the URL points to the exact location of your uploaded font files. After defining the font, specify it in your CSS rules wherever you'd like it to apply. For instance, use body, font family, your custom font, sans serif. This sets your custom font as the primary typeface for your site. Test your website to confirm that the Google Fonts link has been removed. Check that your custom font displays properly across various devices and browsers. If you encounter issues, verify the font file paths and CSS syntax. You may also want to set fallback fonts for better compatibility. For accessibility and performance, keep your typography clean and simple. Once you're satisfied, you're all set with your brand typography. By disabling Google Fonts, you've created a more personalized web experience. Now, your site matches your brand's unique style seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.